It's a hockey night in Central Ohio. Friday night hockey from Nationwide, Carolina, and your Columbus Blue Jackets. Down the left wing, Oliver Bjorkstrand. Wennberg knocks it out of the air. The puck was tipped by Seth Jones. Mrazek there to turn it away. Dubois right back on the puck. Atkinson this time goes off the heel of a stick. Panarin's got it. Drops it back. There's a shot. Scores! Adam McQuaid lets it fly from the right point. 1-0 Columbus.
He's able to find it. A little lucky there. And McQuaid says, I'll take it from there. He whips it towards the net with a great screen. And that beats Mrazek.
Jones steps away from Falk. Left wing. It's tossed to the point. Long shot here. And it's blocked in front of Mrazek. Jackets keep it in.
That's a big play to stay in the offensive zone and put the puck on net.
Long shot scores from the left wing boards. 2-0 Columbus. David Savard.
He puts that glove hand way down low and almost shifts to his right. And that allows that puck to sail by him.
Vogel trying to get to it. Cut off there by McQuaid, and Harrington turns it over. Puck carried in on the wing. Quick shot, gloved and held by Sergei Bobrovsky. Jackets pursue the puck, and it's Aho. Svechnikov. Aho walking in. 30 goals in the air. Shot blocked there by Bobrovsky. Puck tipped in the slot. There's Seth Jones. Quickly sends it up, but not out. Kept in by Van Riemsdyk. Carolina. Van Riemsdyk once more. Long shot sails wide. Fleury wants it. Quick attempt goes right through the blue paint and is covered up by Bobrovsky. Ferland waiting on that left wing. The Jackets cut it off. Ferland gets it nonetheless, and it goes off the glove of Bobrovsky.
Took the glasses off. He had the glasses on for Dave's interview, but now they're off.
Anderson off the wing, and Mrazek able to turn it aside. Teravainen looked to throw it in front. Jackets Dubois can't clear the zone. Svechnikov looks cross ice. Shot was blocked in front of Bobrovsky. Dzingel gets it right back. Anderson behind the defense. Josh Anderson walking in. The puck in the blue paint. Off the leg of Duchesne. The net was gaping wide open. And here's Mrazek. Slavin very calmly hands it back to Mrazek. Falk now for Pesce. We're approaching the 5-minute mark. Period number 2. Left wing pass across the line. There's Bobrovsky off the shoulder on the right wing wall. Fourth line out there here currently with Carolina. Stahl reaching in, gets it to the point. Fogle cross ice, moving in. Bobrovsky off the shoulder, and again he will hold. Up high, Slavin comes in off the point, backhands it wide of the net. Niederreiter backed up. Dougie Hamilton with a wrist shot, fought off by Bobrovsky, knocked down, and another big stop by Bobrovsky.
Let's take a look at that save again. It's a high shot. A few of the shots in this second period have been high on Sergei Bobrovsky.
Looking for Martinook. Seth Jones on it. Outlet pass here. Duchesne, Dzingel, and he cannot pull the trigger, but turns and fires nonetheless. Looking for that burst of speed to get by the defense. Trying to protect that puck. 3 Carolina Hurricanes in the near corner. McQuaid in front. There's a shot off the goal post. Rebound. Bobrovsky in the blue paint. Fogle can't believe it. His stick is broken.
All alone in front. He's got to reach to get that puck, and as he does get it away.
Wennberg tried to get a stick on it. Carolina 11-1, the shot advantage. Canes into Columbus territory. Long shot, Bobrovsky again. Kicks it with the right pad and then covers up with a goal. Stahl comes in to help out. Stahl turned around. Teravainen can't play it. Falk. Pesce. Shot, save, rebound. Look at Bobrovsky able to gather it up. The Blue Jackets have but 4 attempts on it. Odd man rush here. Cross ice. And Slavin may have got just enough of it to steer it away. Did Carolina from their own line. Right to Martinook with Ferland. Ferland fires, save Bobrovsky. Outstanding point-blank stop again by Sergei Bobrovsky there off Ferland.
But here he is again, spectacular, just locked in for the Blue Jackets. You mentioned the crowd showing their appreciation. Yeah, they've got the lead.
Svechnikov across the line, looking to cut in. Does! Tried to send it home, and Bobrovsky holds his own. A little more than a minute left. Teravainen drops it. There's a shot. It's blocked. Following up. Pesce to keep it in at the left point. Walking in. There's Bobrovsky. Had it briefly before Teravainen flips it wide of Bobrovsky in the Columbus net. Quick line change. Atkinson trying to catch Carolina. Kick save. Knocked down. Fault. Williams dances in. Circles the net. Looks for the wraparound. Down is Dubois. Bjorkstrand sends it into the Carolina zone. Fault. A clearing pass. Williams touch pass. Here comes Aho. Moving in, and he just sent it wide as Seth Jones stepped up on him. And Riemsdyk lets one fly. That too missing the mark. Here's Fleury. Save. Rebound. Good work in front by the Blue Jackets. To knock it away after the initial stop by Bobrovsky. Across the line, looking on that left wing for Williams. Williams. Not much room to work. Gets it back to the point. Shot towards the net. Harrington steps in front to block that. Here's Bobrovsky deep in the goal crease. 5.5 minutes left. There's Seth Jones, a clearing pass. Bouncing puck. Drop feed. Here's Duchesne moving in. That one glanced off the side of the net.
Dzingel was pushing it back. Here comes Duchesne. Curl drag. Snap.
On the break. Across the line with Niederreiter. Pulls up. Looks for the pass here. Williams along the wall. Sends it back up high. Fault through a crowd. Look at Bobrovsky. Sees it very calmly. Throws the glove up and holds.
Williams is going to get this. Tight turn up the boards. Now he sees Falk at the top. Falk, quick release.
Puck knocked down here by Pesce. The right-handed shooting defenseman on that left side. On for Falk. Bobrovsky able to knock that one away with a blocker. Pesce fires off the goal post. Bobrovsky never saw it. It went right off the pipe.
Here's the shot. Fluttering through the air. It has eyes. And goes right off the crossbar.
Teravainen weaves through and across the line. Unable to control it. Anderson hustling. The net is empty. Anderson scores. Short-handed.
And Anderson's actually going to fan on this shot. He uses his speed to get in position to give himself a chance. And as he misses that shot, who cares?
Backhand. Jackets step in front to deflect it wide of the net. Svechnikov. Far side for Ferland. Falk wants it at the point. Handed here to Hamilton. Dougie Hamilton in the slot. Look at Bobrovsky. Right there off the stick of Stahl. He's got it. No whistle here. Wow. How about that? Falk with the shot. Bobrovsky's got it this time. He can't believe it. Looks over his shoulder at the official. Sergei Bobrovsky, 30th career shutout. 46 saves.
Never had a shutout when he's faced 39 shots or more. Congratulations to Sergei Bobrovsky.